Hi, this is Julio Portela from the IDS 701 Data to Decision class from MITS. This is our report for September 9, 2019. As we can see in this presentation, we have three assets sets on a portfolio to make. We have equities, real estate, and market neutral, which mean an return is 7.53%, 5 and 4% respectively. And equities have a very high volatility that's going to change by the time. It's around 16%, real estate is 13%, and market neutral is 7%. We create our portfolio based on the gauge estimation of the volatilities for the future for the next 5 years, and we have that equities is 54.29%, real estate is 25.71%, and market neutral is going to remain the same by using a 20%. We have the restriction that market neutral assets cannot be over 20%. While at the same time, we see that equities increases on the time. We can see that it goes from 54.29% to 55.77% in 2024, and real estate slows down a little bit from 25.71% to 24.23%. We said for the volatility forecast, we said to use R and Excel to create a gauge forecasting model for the next 5 years, which you can see here. It goes from 16.32% to 16.03% in 5 years. Now, for recommendations for money managers, we have this table with different money managers, their mean return, their volatility, and years of experience. In this case, we set to apply a barbell strategy. We're going to have three managers who are very low, who have very low volatility and good mean return. In this case, there are seven, the eight, and the four who have very low volatility and good amount of years of experience. And we're going to have the number five, who has very high mean return and very high volatility with low years of experience. The reason why we apply this barbell strategy is to benefit from the volatility, while at the same time, if the manager number five screws up, we can still are going to win some money because we have three very stable managers. The process for this experiment goes the same. First of all, we decided to apply the portfolio optimization with fixed values. Then we decided to apply the gauge forecasting model to estimate different volatilities for the future. Finally, we implement this gauge volatility. We apply them into the portfolio optimization, and we figure out that the equities volatility is reducing by the time. At the same time, its portfolio share increases slowly, while the real estate reduces slowly. But on the other hand, the market neutral shares remains the same for the 5 years. These are my sources, and that's all for today. Thank you for your time.